I'm in the process of swapping my cam covers over to that semi-decent looking one rather than the black one, and doing a couple of quick checks. A couple of threads have gone on the cam carriers, so let's sort those out. Right, so we're pretty much prepped. Try to block everything off, stop swarf getting everywhere. I've globbed a load of grease down the bearing surfaces as well, in a vain attempt to try and stop any, but you never know. 6.3mm drill bit, nice and steady. I've got grease on that as well to catch any swarf, so hopefully we won't get any swarf gone in the engine. And I've found that this is the correct depth as well. That's enough. You see, we've got a load of grease there. Try to do this before the rain kicks in again as well. Loads of grease on there. Might just have to move you a bit actually, give me a second. Get them out of the way. Just give that black out with an air light. Alrighty, Helicoil. Fucking starting to rain as well. It's a pain in the arse. Your fingers are too greasy. Bollocks to it. Little dab of thread lock on there. Come on. For fuck's sake. Little dab of thread lock. A bit more. About. Hopefully we can blow that nib out. You can get back in there. That's better. Much better. Right, one down, 3 to go.
A few minutes later.
Well, hopefully, I've got rid of all the loose bits of aluminium. There we go. Don't go in the hole, you. There we go. You in the hole. Just made a bit of oil around that as well. Oh wait, no, it's one way around that. I'll get that out now. You in that one there. You live there. That. The right way around. That's going. Screws are a bit tight for some reason, that one. So 9 Newton meters. Go around them again, I think. Cool bananas. Start to see little bits of swarf flying around. And that is that. Right. I can crack on fitting the cam covers is what I originally intended to do. All that cleaned up. Jobbed. Righty, that's a whole lot back together. I haven't put the cam end caps on yet because I have got these that my father-in-law made a few years ago. What I want to do is fill them full of epoxy resin, hopefully a nice black one, and then fly cut them and make them all look very nice. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.